semi-automatic biochemistry analyzer. Before making a purchase, ensure that you can fulfill the following requirements in the lab. Power supply 220/110 volt. Please ensure that you have a properly grounded socket, as this is essential for proper functioning and safety. This is our grounded socket. This point is live, this point is neutral, and this is grounded. So let us check it. This point is in the live point, and let us put this in the grounded point. Okay, this socket is well grounded and you can use for installation of semi-automatic analyzer. Please ensure that there is sufficient clear space around the analyzer for proper operation and maintenance. For proper functioning and safety of the analyzer, it is recommended to have an online UPS. This is online UPS. The first installation of the analyzer is always performed by an engineer. Please refrain from touching the analyzer until the installation and settings are complete. The installation team will also provide a demonstration. Do carefully watch the demonstration. Make sure to address any questions or concern you may have before the team leaves the lab. I am going to give demo on Coral Lab Touch Clinical Chemistry Analyzer. Please note, this is only a demo and an educational video. I am not promoting any brand. This analyzer, it has an inbuilt incubator. You can incubate up to 20 tubes at a time. It has a touch screen. You can give all the commands through touch screen. You have a pen for the touch screen. It has a suction probe out here to suck the liquid. It has a push button out here. When you push this push button, the test reagent is drawn. Open this window to check the flow cell. Take out the flow cell from the analyzer. Take note of two windows in the flow cell. One window is out here. The other window is on the opposite side out here. Similarly, there are two windows in the analyzer. One window is out here. The other window is on the opposite side out here. Insert the flow cell, aligning all the four Windows. Inbuilt printer where you can print your report. You need a container to collect all the waste. The waste pipe is inserted into a container to collect the waste. Never dip this waste pipe into the waste which is collected in the container. Always empty this container before it is filled. It has a switch out here to switch on the analyzer. This analyzer has following filters. It has 340 nanometer, 405 nanometer, 492 nanometer, 510 nanometer, 546 nanometer, 578 nanometer, and 620 nanometer. Altogether, there are 7 filters in this analyzer. You can work on following analytical methods with this analyzer: endpoint, fixed time, kinetic, multi-point, and serum blank. Working principle. This analyzer works on the principle of Beer-Lambert law. Please refer to my previous video on the principle of the colorimeter and biochemistry analyzer for more information. Additionally, it is important to take note of the limitations of the Beer-Lambert law. Oral lab touch clinical chemistry analyzer is a semi-automatic analyzer. This means that you will be responsible for performing the pipetting yourself. You will need to add the sample to the specific reagent and incubate it according to the test being performed. Set the analyzer to the appropriate test, and once incubation is complete, aspirate the test solution. The analyzer will provide you with the result directly in concentration. The result will be stored, and if desired, you can print them out. Now let us switch on the analyzer. This is our main socket. Let us connect the analyzer first with the online UPS. Now the analyzer is connected with the online UPS. First, we will switch on the main socket. Now you will switch on the online UPS. Okay, the UPS is on. We will switch on the analyzer. So the analyzer is starting now. It is doing the system test. Oral lab touch clinical chemistry analyzer. Click on the screen. You will come to this window. Before doing any test, you let the analyzer heat for 5 to 15 minutes. While the analyzer is heating up, let us see what we have in function menu. Select this test button to do the test. So here are the test lists. One page has 6 tests: glucose, uric acid, SCOT, urea, creatinine, and total bilirubin. If you want to go to next page, then you click next. If you want to go to previous page, you press previous. Press main menu to go to the main menu. Now edit button. You can add new program. You can modify the program. You can delete the program, and you can also get the program list. If you want to add new program to the analyzer, press program add. You can give the name of the program and set it as per the manual. Modify program. If you want to modify any stored program, then you go to modify program. For if you want to modify uric acid program which is already stored in the analyzer, you press uric acid, and as per your need you can modify it. Delete a program. If you want to delete any stored program, you can delete this from here. Program list. You get the list of programs that you have in the analyzer from program list. If you press result button, you go to result list, delete all, control manage, print report, and reserved. If you press result list, you get the results that are stored in the analyzer. If you want to print report, you can go to print report, select the reference number or the date, main menu. This wash button is to wash the flow line. Dip the suction probe into distilled water and press wash button to wash. Do note a water coming out here. I am repeating again. When I press wash, the deionized water is coming through the waste pipe. This feed button is to feed paper. Again I am pressing feed. You can see the paper coming out. Pump. This is to calibrate the pump. Do not change from the default setting. Out here the aspiration volume is 3000 microliter and motor steps it is 20,063. Do not change it. Blank. This is for AD check to make the analyzer ready for the test. Filter. This is also for AD test to test the AD of each filter. When you press setup, you get following display. You can change the temperature from here. The system is working at 37 degree, which I don't want to change. If you want to change language, you can go to language setup. So you can make various changes from setup. Now let me go to AD Auto 0. Never do AD check just after switching on the machine. Always do the AD check after preheating the analyzer for 5 to 15 minutes. Always before the AD Auto 0, first clean the flow cell. Insert the pipette into deionized water and push wash button 5 to 10 times. This wash will clean the flow cell. AD check. Please push to aspirate water and start a new reading. So we will aspirate deionized water and press read to do the AD check. So analyzer has completed doing the AD check. AD range is from 4500 to 6000. So the AD of all the filters out here lies between 4500 to 6000. Offset range is from -300 to 300. Offset of all the filters lies between -300 to 300. State of AD check is OK. If the AD check of any one of the filters lies outside the range of 4500 to 6000, you have to repeat the AD check again. During Auto 0, analyzer measures the initial light intensity of different wavelengths with reference to water. If you want to print out the AD check report, then you can print it from here. Just press print. Go to main menu and fit some paper. This is the printout of our AD check. You may keep it for your record. To switch off the analyzer, you go to main menu and after that press return. Now you can switch off your analyzer.